Let's spread the rocks out a little bit, guys. They're getting crazy.
Yeah, he's gonna knock the rock down. Here.
Okay, guys, let's get out.
Okay.
Move out and move those rocks.
Hey, but I got on the film.
And they're exploding.
And they're exploding.
They're freaking exploding on us. They're like flaming bullets. Oh. Wait, which one?
So you can see where Will's pointing, that rock split in half right there.
Just right.
Like, watch your toes.
That is the most amazing thing I've seen today.
Okay, so rocks close to the fire, I guess it's a bad idea. Alright, we're just leaving Will's right now. 2:20. And we're right on time, I think, for the 3:15 ferry. So let's see if we can get there in time.
Yeah, let's do it.
We're right on time 10 minutes ago.
Hello.
How many? 4 total?
There's 6 of us.
6? So, I need wings.
Oh, shit. Okay.
And wing 3 or 4?
Thank you. Okay. And we're loading.
Okay, and now we're.
Oh,
she gave us the hold.
She gave us the hold.
She gave us the finger.
It's
The 5
Ford
fingers.
Explorer versus her. I think.
Thank you.
What is going on?
You guys ready for that 6-minute ride?
Wait, why 6 minutes?
We're up stopping to get peaches.
Peaches for free.
Safeway is
Peaches are
on the way.
crazy.
It's going to be super quick, and then we're off. Off to La Push.
Lappish.
La Push. La Push.
Heck yeah, y'all.
Third Beach Trailhead.
Lapoosh.
Dude, I'm so glad we got that. Ooh, that's a.
Oh God, man, they're just surrounded right now. Oh God.
Oh, this is the wrong way.
Wrong way. No, wrong
You guys
way.
should be okay. We'll be
It's
alright.
not the wrong.
They're all drunk.
Yeah, you guys, you drunk off Wendy's back there.
Yeah, you guys are up on Wendy's right now.
I got McDonald's.
So good news, everyone. We were able to fill out permits manually here without having to deal with hiking back out to Mora Beach tomorrow. But now we can eliminate all that because we are filling out our paperwork now. So yeah, we are right back on schedule and everything's taken care of. Yeah. Slept like a baby last night. What's going on right now?
We're heading up this big overland thing, this big wood ladder, trying to get to the next part of our hike. And right now it looks like we're all struggling, so.
Yeah, we're struggling.
A lot. This thing's hecka steep.
How you feeling, Ian?
I'm feeling good.
I was gonna let you finish your beer and I was gonna go ahead. Yeah. I mean, priorities, right?
Strawberry Point. We're gonna grab our rock shoes and check it out. Yeah, looks like it. On the backside of Strawberry Point right now. Scoping out for some bouldering spots.
Oh wow, look at this.
And it's looking really cool.
It's pretty sweet. Oh, he's got a little crab. That's what Tyler just did. You got shoes on, yeah, do it.
I break an ankle real quick.
Beer man?
Got this. There we go. Little I'd go low, but.
Do it for
Oh my god! You're good, man? Oh my god, the suspense is killing me.
And he falls down.
Yeah, man.
We're jumping in this pool. Ian here just fell off the face of this wall and into this pool, and I'm gonna jump in.
So we just did a little circling around Strawberry Point. It's kind of like a little bit of canyoneering. So it's pretty fun. It's really beautiful out. The sun's starting to come out. Hopefully we can get some good drone footage. This has been a great adventure so far. Everyone's having fun. I can't wait for tonight. It's gonna be a good time.